you need a locksmith in Hamilton, Ontario, you're watching the right video. We provide fast, reliable, professional 24-hour emergency locksmith services at extremely competitive rates. We stand behind our workmanship for client satisfaction. We have a fully equipped mobile machine shop available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We service most major lock brands and associated door hardware. We offer fast, professional, and experienced locksmith services. Our technicians are equipped with the latest modern technology and are available 24/7 at your request. We provide locksmith services for residential, commercial, and automotive, including transponder keys. If you need advice on security systems for your home or office, be sure to contact us. That's another one of our specialties. Hamilton Locksmith in Ontario. Call us today, 905-592-1841.